and we are back at it again with another vacuum video. This time, we're taking things up a notch with the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2, a flagship robot vacuum that's packed with automation and premium features. If you watched our feature on the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2, you'll want to stick around because this one brings a whole new level of convenience. Let's get into it. The Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 features a familiar circular profile and those clean white plastic panels. It's slightly more premium looking than the D9 Max Gen 2. While both models are compact and can scoot under most furniture, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 takes things further with a fully automated docking station. Thinking about the two RoboVacs, they're kind of like Iron Man's armors. We can think of the D9 Max Gen 2 as Mark III, while the L10s Ultra Gen 2 could be Mark IV. Going back to the docking station, it empties its own dustbin, refills the mopping tank, and even washes and dries the mops after each session. We're sure you guys have also already noticed in the B-roll that the LiDAR sensor at the top now gets an aluminum plate to better differentiate the two models. On the underside of the L10s Ultra Gen 2, we get two dual rotating mop pads for more intensive mopping. The mop pad holder is actually secured in place with the help of magnets. That's for both of them. See? And they're actually quite strong. Oh! Well, they also have a proper, there you go. And the pre-installed mop pads stick to the mop pad holders via Velcro, which in turn makes them a lot easier to clean and wash when it gets too grimy. So let's put this back. Like the D9 Max Gen 2, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 also gets a side brush. No magnets for this one. And the main vacuum component sports a tri-cut brush system that reduces tangling, ideal for pet owners or anyone dealing with lots of hair on the floor. Now, let's talk about suction, because this thing is an absolute beast. The L10s Ultra Gen 2 delivers up to 10,000 pascals of suction power, nearly double that of the D9 Max Gen 2 at 6,000 pascals. I mean, of course, for about double the price, it definitely needs to be the more powerful RoboVac. Another key difference is in how it handles mopping. The L10s Ultra Gen 2 features Mop Extend, which allows the mop pads to extend outward to hit corners and edges. Plus, with auto mop lifting, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 will raise the mop when it detects carpet, so it can vacuum and mop in a single run without soaking our rugs. The D9 Max Gen 2, in contrast, needs you to manually remove the mop if we don't want our carpets getting damp. Like I hinted earlier, both vacuums use LiDAR navigation, but the L10s Ultra Gen 2 levels it up with AI-based obstacle recognition featuring a lot more sensors as well. See? It can visually identify socks, charging cables, and other small clutter and avoid them, something the D9 Max Gen 2 struggled with at times. In the event the L10s Ultra Gen 2 also accidentally sucks up some messy cables, it can get to a point where the magnetic mop pads can pop off out of the robot trying to detangle itself. Accident or not, we found that to be quite a nifty safety feature since it leads the vacuum to pause operations. Compared to just knocking standing lamps over and whatnot, come to think of it, it probably isn't an accident since we also experienced the L10s Ultra Gen 2 calling for help when it had some plastic twine tangled up inside it, which we just had to pull out when operations were paused. When it comes to app functionality, there's a lot more the L10s Ultra Gen 2 can do. Mapping out our floor plans gets an upgrade. Not only is it faster, but because the RoboVacuum is smarter, it can even automatically identify separate rooms within the floor based off the different floor material. This is cool because we can have it clean rooms sequentially in any order of our choosing. We can also mark furniture and even get a 3D view of our floor plan if that was our thing. Of course, we can still make no-go zones, customize its cleaning routine, and more, all within the app. The Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 features a 5,200 mAh battery rated for up to 260 minutes or a little over 4 hours of cleaning. It's a bit under the D9 Max Gen 2's 285-minute runtime. That said, the difference is small, and the L10s makes up for it with its smarter recharge and resume functionality. Both units will auto-dock and resume, but with the L10s, you almost never need to intervene for cleaning and whatnot between sessions. Not to mention, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 is also just more powerful and noticeably faster when it does clean. Maintenance is where the L10s Ultra Gen 2 really flexes. The auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying system in the docking station means you can run this vacuum for weeks without even touching it. Unlike the D9 Max Gen 2, it even uses a detergent cartridge, which we fill with the included cleaning solution and water for the unit's more powerful mopping. And yes, it also auto-dispenses per session through the charging dock. By comparison, the D9 Max Gen 2 needs us to refill it with water, remove the cloth, and empty the dustbin, all done by us. So while it is still easy to maintain, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 is in a league of its own when it comes to just forgetting about it. In conclusion, if we had to choose between the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 and the L10s Ultra Gen 2, it really just comes down to how hands-off we want our cleaning routine to be. The D9 Max Gen 2 is still a fantastic option for the more budget-oriented user who's okay with a bit of manual prep. It gives them great suction, smart mapping, and a solid mopping setup for under 16,000 pesos if you catch it on sale. But if we want the flagship smart home cleaning experience, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 truly delivers. It's stronger, smarter, and far more automated. It's basically like having a cleaning service on standby without the monthly fee. And at the time we recorded this video, the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 is available for 46,999 pesos, but we might spot it for as low as 36,999 pesos during big sale events. But what do you guys think of the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2? Would you guys go for full automation with the L10s or stick with the D9 Max Gen 2 solid essentials? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it educational, informative, or just plain old helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2, Miguel T, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.